Welcome to our channel. Today, we are honored to celebrate Juneteenth, a significant day in American history that symbolizes freedom and equality. In this video, we'll explore the history, significance, and traditions of Juneteenth. Juneteenth, also known as Freedom Day, commemorates the emancipation of enslaved individuals in the United States. It originated on June 19, 1865, when Union General Gordon Granger arrived in Galveston, Texas, to announce the end of slavery, 2 years after the Emancipation Proclamation. Juneteenth holds great importance as a celebration of freedom, unity, and African American heritage. It's a day for reflection, education, and honoring the contributions of Black Americans. Festivities include parades, picnics, historical reenactments, music, and art that showcase the rich culture and traditions associated with Juneteenth. One of the prominent traditions of Juneteenth is the reading of the Emancipation Proclamation and historical accounts of the day. Additionally, red food and drinks symbolize resilience and perseverance, while wearing traditional African attire and engaging in storytelling fosters a sense of pride and cultural identity. Juneteenth offers an opportunity for us to educate ourselves about the struggles faced by African Americans in the ongoing fight for racial equality. It's a time to amplify Black voices, support Black-owned businesses, and engage in meaningful conversations about social justice. As we conclude this video, let's remember that Juneteenth is a powerful reminder of the progress made and the work that lies ahead in creating a more inclusive society. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on history, culture, and social issues. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, have a meaningful Juneteenth celebration.